How to use WhatsApp Web on your computer or laptop. I will show you exactly how to use WhatsApp Web step by step. Go to your browser and search for WhatsApp Web. You will see QR code on the screen. We have two options to log in by QR code or phone number. Let's start with QR code. On your phone, go to the setting and tap Link Devices. Then link a device and scan QR code on the screen. And that's it. You can use WhatsApp Web easily. Second option with phone number. After add number, you will see this code and you will get notification on your phone. Write this code, tap confirm, and that's it. You can use WhatsApp Web easily. If you are using a public computer, always log out after you're done. Click the three dots on WhatsApp Web, then log out. If you forget log out, you can also log out just from your phone. Go to the setting, tap link devices, click on the device, then log out.